Before any building rises, the ground below decides whether it will stand tall or sink, crack, and fail. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most structural failures don't start in the structure. They start in the soil. Today, we're stripping soil mechanics down to its core. No fluff, just the essentials every engineer must understand. 1. What soil mechanics really is. Soil mechanics is the study of soil as an engineering material. Not mud, not dust, but a complex system with behavior that can make or break a project. This field guides foundations, retaining walls, embankments, roads and highways, dams and slopes, ground improvement, earthquake resistance. If you ignore soil, everything above it becomes useless. Number 2, soil types, the starting point of every project. Before designing anything, you must know what kind of soil you're standing on. Major types: gravel, very strong, drains quickly; sand, stable but can liquefy during earthquakes; silt, tricky, low strength when wet; clay, highly plastic, expands, shrinks, huge settlement issues; organic soils, weakest, never build on them without treatment. The real-world problem: buildings that tilt, roads that crack, basements that leak, all caused by misunderstanding soil types. The 3, index properties. The ID card of soil. These are the first tests every student must know and every engineer must use. Key properties: moisture content, consistency limits, Atterberg limits, liquid limit, plastic limit, shrinkage limit, specific gravity, grain size distribution. Why they matter. Index properties decide bearing capacity, settlement behavior, soil classification, suitability for foundations. These are top exam topics and top interview questions globally. 4, permeability, how easily water moves through soil. This single property decides whether your basement floods, whether a dam stays safe, whether a highway cracks after rain, whether soil becomes quicksand under load. High permeability, gravel, sand; low permeability, clay. Why it matters. Water movement changes soil strength dramatically. A strong soil can turn weak overnight if permeability is misunderstood. Engineers use Darcy's law to quantify it. You'll see this formula everywhere. 5. Why soil mechanics is non-negotiable. Students often think soil mechanics is boring, but every smart engineer knows this. A structure is only as strong as the soil it stands on. This subject prepares you for foundation design, stability analysis, slope protection, earth retaining systems, real site problem solving, and yes, soil mechanics videos consistently perform extremely well on YouTube because they answer real-world questions students are desperate to understand. That's your clean, high-clarity introduction to soil mechanics. You now understand the 3 pillars: soil types, index properties, and permeability, the foundation of every geotechnical decision. In the next lecture, we'll move deeper into foundation engineering, settlement, and shear strength, the concepts that determine whether a structure stays safe for decades. Keep watching. You're building the fundamentals the right way.